Welcome to Deck 3 on Enchantment of the Seas, specifically room 3102, but really any ocean view room on board. Let's start with the bed. You can have the bed separated by your stateroom attendant, which actually opens up the middle of the room, so if it's something that you would like to have a little bit more room in this room, it's a little redundant, then feel free to request the beds be separated. We did this on Adventure of the Seas, which was an inside room, but it works on these ocean view rooms as well. You can see there's some mirrors in the room. There's this little couch that you have for sitting and watching TV. It's a really small TV, but you probably won't be spending a lot of time in the room anyway. Now there is a little workstation and desk. There's some storage behind those mirrors, but I want to point out the outlets that are here. You can see there's US on the right and some European style outlets on the left. I always recommend people bring adapters for those European outlets so that you can use them to charge your devices. Look for a link for those below. Heading into the bathroom, you can see that there's a relatively small sink, but it's perfectly functional. There is some counter space there, just a little bit. It does unfortunately have one of these curtain style showers. These things are always a pain to deal with. For some additional storage space, I would recommend getting some of these magnetic spice trays. That's what they're sold as, but they hold toiletries and all of your kind of bathroom items really well, and they stick very well to the walls inside the bathrooms of cruise ships. So be sure to pick one of these up. I've got links down in the description below. Heading back out into the room, you can see there is a closet, which is actually pretty roomy, especially for the shorter trips that these older ships tend to do. But there's some extra drawers inside and plenty of hanging space. You can even find the life jackets up overhead. Looking around the room, you can see there's a decent amount of storage space. In this room, the window is pretty close behind the bed. Some rooms towards the front or back of the ship might have a little bit more of a ledge there where you can use for more storage. But this room's pretty nice and perfectly functional. So I recommend ocean view rooms for any first-time cruiser, or if you've gone on lots of cruises before. If you want to see what other rooms are like, be sure to check out these other videos I have on my channel. Share your secrets in the comments below.